Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Gothic Cyclist. I'm your host. So, this is going to be a tutorial and plus a maintenance about my brakes that I was mentioning earlier. How I was mentioning how my bike lever, I'm having to go like this in order for me to stop when that's not supposed to be the case. If you ever get that low, some people might say you have to adjust this or adjust this from the other end. Well, that's not always the case. Sometimes that is the case, not always the case. So, for instance, on this right here, I push that back to there in order for the rear to actually stop. And for the front side, I have this, which I just adjusted myself, and it doesn't even go near that close. So, all you gotta do is you gotta readjust this side of the brake pad, which is getting a Allen wrench and twisting this, going clockwise, and that'll fix that problem. Because what you see there, it looks like the brake pad on this side is pushing this way, but it's actually the brake pad on this side being pushed that way. So it's pressing the rotor against the other brake pad. That's what you're actually seeing. So, for instance, on the rear parts of the rear brakes, the pad on this side needs to be out more towards this way, because whenever this here is shutting, this side of the brake pad is pushing the rotor towards that side. And that's the side that's making this here come out like this. Then have to press this almost directly towards the handlebar itself, when it shouldn't even be doing that. It should only be going like that. So there's a big difference right there. And I'm going to adjust this using a Allen hex key, which be this right here. And I'm going to turn this clockwise. Now there may be some bicycles that's counterclockwise, don't know. You may have to test and see for yourself, unless there is an instruction within the bicycle manual that you have that says whatever it says. And it says whatever it requires. A little bit of a word of advice. If you can't get this thing to turn at all, then put this thing long ways, and after that put a wrench like this here and slip it in there like this, and then from there you can just go like this and it'll turn a lot easier for you. Okay, and now that I have this at 3/4 turns, that's all I did was 3/4 turns, and that brought this brake pad out this way further, so that when this here pushes the rotor against that side, then it doesn't take as long, and the result is, let's check and find out. Boom, there you go. Remember how earlier it almost touched the handlebar? Now it doesn't. And that's how you do maintenance on your brakes. And of course, you're also going to want to make sure that you also equal it out on this side as well. So on this here, you're also going to be messing with the brakes on that side. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I appreciate the love and support, and love and peace till next we meet.